Hi, my name is Soula and I live in Brampton, Ontario. I've been looking at magic for many years and I was hooked from day one. We had looked at other companies, but in my heart, I think it was always magic. Previously, we had a double door, which was again the builder door, and it wasn't very secure at all. As I was locking it and leaving, it would literally, the entire door would shake. With the new door, there's none of that at all. It's very secure. We wanted something that would balance style and security, and I think the new door has given us both of that. We decided to go black, and I'm extremely happy. The previous door had glass inserts, so it brought in a lot of light, which we enjoyed, and I was concerned that just doing two side lights might be an issue, but I was pleasantly surprised how much light actually comes in. It has actually made the entranceway seem bigger. I don't know how to explain it, but it seems so much bigger now. Gosh, as far as like installation and drafts, like we literally felt it immediately. As soon as they had closed it up, it made such a difference, and I literally felt it like right away, how much warmer the house was. I would absolutely recommend the entry door. It has literally transformed the entrance to our home. I'm in awe of it every time I literally walk up the stairs to the porch. Professionalism is beyond none, from the consultation right through to the installation. If I had a query about something, I would send an email, I would get a reply. If not a reply, a quick call. They've been amazing, the entire team. I'm very happy.